Welcome. In front of me is a Honor Pad V9, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power button, and when you do, ignore Google when it shows up. I am going to tap on the screen just to get rid of it, but if you keep on holding, it will show up with the boot options. You can just click on power off, you'll see in a second. Now, I am going to just do this as it gets rid of it. And like I mentioned, otherwise it's open in the background and it would be listening to me, and I am speaking, so that would cause just a little bit of annoyance. Anyway, once you have your boot options open, just select power off. And when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. In a moment, you will see the device starts to boot up with an Honor logo, and then when it disappears, you can let go of both of the buttons. As you can see, this takes us to recovery mode, and in here at the bottom you will have safe mode. Just simply tap on it. This will initiate a reboot and bring the device into safe mode. Now I do want to clarify, in safe mode only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled and neither you nor the device can start it up. Now this is done for troubleshooting purposes, so if you don't have any kind of trouble, there is very little incentive for you to actually enter this mode, as it limits the usability of the device quite significantly. So you can see we also have the watermark right here, safe mode, and when we unlock our device, see if we have any apps right here. It looks like we don't have any apps that I can showcase. Typically they are grayed out and semi-transparent, and when you try to open them up, it will give you a pop-up letting you know that downloaded apps are disabled in safe mode. Now here I don't see any app that I wouldn't be able to launch, so these are just default ones, so yeah, these will work fine. Anyway, once you're done with safe mode and you want to go back to the normal mode, hold your power button again, and this time around all you will need to do is select the restart option. When the device boots back up, it will automatically enter normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.